Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's time to go to school. I don't know about you, but I wake up at 5:30 or 40, about something like that. I mean, Alhamdulillah, I wake up for Tahajjud and I read Tahajjud. That's cool. We are doing great progress. Yesterday I wake up at 6:30. Today I wake up at 5:40. So it's about 1 hour change. Really great. Really good. SubhanAllah. I mean, I'm going to bed earlier also. I'm going to bed at 10:30. Yeah. Going to bed earlier sucks. It's not, as I thought it's gonna be cool. Because, I mean, no one, really wants to go to bed that early. Because, even if I say I woke up at 5:40, right? It doesn't really mean that I was happy to wake up at 5:40 as if I used to wake up for, let's say, 6 or 7 a.m. It's really hard because as soon as you wake up, the number one thing you want to do is to go to bed again. And because you kind of don't get enough sleep, to a certain degree you don't get enough sleep, 1 or 2 hours left, I think, which you want to sleep. I don't know about you, but my head is aching, honestly. Yes, a little bit, but this ticking in my mind, in my brain, in my head, you name it, not something pleasant, not something you really wanna how to say that, feel, yeah, because it's not enjoyable. Definitely it's not something enjoyable. Yeah. Okay, Bismillah. Yeah, Bismillah. Alright. I drank a little bit of coffee, so that helped. But before you drink your first cup of coffee, it's really hard. I mean, saying really hard. I mean, just headache and all this stuff. Okay, it's first of all this. Right. One thing I love about myself is that calmness and not giving a damn about school stuff, because I see people right now, it's 10 minutes left before 8 a.m. and lessons are gonna begin, schools are gonna begin, and I'm chill, I'm walking to school, la 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 la, and I see these people 10 minutes left, hurry up. Bro, chill, I mean, what are you hurrying up, bro? For what? Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I love, Alhamdulillah, I love studying at the first floor of my school, because you can just literally jump out of the window and that's it. Right now it's 9:30 a.m. It's the end of my second lesson, I believe. I think, yeah, second lesson. And by the time I'm gonna be at home, it's gonna be probably, inshallah, 10 a.m. So I have about 2 hours before I'm gonna go to my Arabic classes today. So yeah, I mean my Arabic classes are at 3, so I will get out of my house about 1:30 or 2 p.m. Yeah, I mean I have limited amount of time in which I can train, do my Arabic homework, and lunch, read Zuhur. So yeah, I'm gonna continue filming when I'm gonna be at home, inshallah. Peace. Alright, okay, I come from school. I came from school, ate apples, train a little bit, and I mean I'm really sorry because I wasn't filming that all, because when I came home it already was about 10 something. So I mean I had like 2 or 3 hours before I go to my Arabic classes, and it's like freaking, if you can see it, it's 1:28 p.m. I have like freaking 2 minutes left, and I'm like, I can't make a freaking 4 minute or 6 minute video. Okay, yesterday okay, let's talk about money. Today I'm gonna come from my Arabic school, Arabic classes, and I'm gonna reach out to people. Yesterday I reached out to 55 out of 50 people I was planning to message. And yeah, okay, I reached out to people. They didn't reply me yet. I mean, the probably main reason why these people are not replying, because the majority of these people have like, thousands of subscribers, like 50,000, 60,000, 100,000 subscribers, and like probably hundreds of people messaging them every day, and I'm just one of them. If I would search for somebody who have like 1,000 subscribers and at the same time entrepreneur, I would have just spent a lot more freaking time than 1 or 2 hours which I spent to DM only 50 people. And imagine myself like DMing 100 people. I'm gonna spend like 3-4 hours a day. Yeah, that's not really what I want to do, I think. Yeah, I have had people who have like 40 or 50,000 subscribers and they are replying to me. Yes, they're not buying, but they're replying at least, alhamdulillah. What I can say, yeah, what else, let me go to Instagram. I'm really happy that I found one sales guy for now. Right now I have like one sales guy. This is actually the power of YouTube. That's why I called you guys to, rich, famous, and strong. Okay, if you want to be rich, then you have to make business like I'm doing. Any kind of service-based business. That is rich. Famous, make content. Any kind of content on any kind of platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, just make freaking content. Strong, train every day, just freaking 100, 200, 500, 1,000 push-ups every day are gonna make you a lot more stronger than you are right now. And yeah, sit-ups to work on your legs, push-ups on your chest and your arms. That's it, bro. It's very simple, but it's not easy. Okay, yeah, I don't really think that I mean, okay, let me show you maybe. I have all these people I have messaged yesterday. Like you can see one day, yeah, 17 hours or something. So yeah, these people are pretty young, I mean fresh, waiting for them to reply. I have 2 accounts, because Instagram is not allowing me to DM more than about 25 or 30 people on one account. That's why I'm using, I created a separate account and design it, post something, subscribe for people, they subscribe back to me, and these kind of things. I just how to say that, I made it more beautiful, made it more fancy, I can say, than like a random bot. I don't know. not make it look like a random bot. Yeah, and yeah, I mean, they create content, guys. Create content, because of my these YouTube videos, there was a one guy which saw this YouTube videos like you did, and Alhamdulillah, I'm really thankful to God and Allah that He helped me to this guy. There is no, like one of you guys was asking me how do you proceed online payments, and the answer was I don't know how. I'm just started to DM people like maybe the last 26 days ago, like 26 days ago, just 26 days. I didn't close anyone yet. Inshallah, I'm gonna close, but even if I'm gonna close, how do I proceed payments? There is no Stripe available in my country. There is no PayPal available in my country. How do I do all that stuff? And there was one guy who messaged me through watching my YouTube videos, and he was curious to work with me. And I'm like, Alhamdulillah, because that guy lived in Canada. Really thankful to you. Not gonna name you guys, not gonna name you, buddy, but really thankful that you messaged me, because I can't imagine myself being I used to see all these people like Iman and other people who are from US and this kind of European countries where Stripe is available for them, and they can just send a link to make a payment if the client would like to pay them. I was thinking okay, if I close a client, if they are okay and blah blah blah, I'm gonna send them my credit card or debit card's number so if they can use their own phone or bank to just transfer me money. But this looks pretty suspicious, but I was using what I have, bro. There is no Stripe, okay? I'm not gonna fucking sit down and just wait for Stripe to become available in my country. I'm gonna use what I have, and what I have is I have my freaking debit card, and let me use what I have, bro. Yes, it will look suspicious and stuff, but I don't know what to do else, I'm using what I have, I'm using what I can. And what I can is to send my credit card or debit card, and if they trust me, they will send money. I will make them website, and everything is gonna be okay. But yeah, that's what I was planning to do. But reality became a lot more better. That's why Muslims say God's plan is better than your dreams. Allah's plan is better than your dreams. Because that guy helped me to open a Stripe account. Inshallah, I'm gonna have a Google Meets call with him, inshallah, today or tomorrow. Yeah. If you don't have anyone who can help you like this guy is helping me, bro, I'm saying you use what you fucking have. If you have like a Union Pay or whatever, just use what you have. If you don't wanna look kind of suspicious and stuff, then you can work on your local area. Yeah, because people in your local area would just understand you. They will understand you. If there is no Stripe available in this country, I got you. Where is your card? Let me send you money to your card. At least people in my country was like that. They never have heard about Stripe. They don't know it because there isn't such thing as available, and it was never available. And if it's not available in your country, bro, then just move on with it. Live with it and just use what you have. And yeah, okay, bro. Okay, may Allah grant you success with, your best dreams, even better than your dreams, both after your death and in your present life, inshallah. Peace.